Affiliate marketing on Pinterest offers a unique opportunity to monetize your content by sharing products that genuinely benefit your audience. You can create another stream of income for your business by focusing on providing value and strategically utilizing platforms like Amazon Associates, which anyone can sign up for, or as you grow your following, your Amazon store. Understanding Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest serves as a visual search engine where users actively seek inspiration and solutions. This intent driven behavior makes it an ideal platform for affiliate marketing by creating engaging pins that link to valuable content. You can guide users toward products and earn commission on resulting sales. Best practices for using Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Create valuable content. Instead of directly pinning affiliate links, develop high quality blog posts or landing pages that discuss the benefits and uses of the products. Get pictures of you using that product. This approach provides context and also builds trust with your audience. It also gives you the traffic than having pins on Pinterest that goes directly to the affiliate link. It gets to your website, you get the traffic, you tell them how great it is by showing them how great it is, and then they click on the affiliate link. Design engaging pins. Craft visually appealing pins that capture attention and encourage clicks. Use tools like Canva to create professional graphics that align with your brand and the content you're promoting. You can also use Tailwind Create, where they can create hundreds of pins for you super quickly. I'll put my affiliate link down below. Note that you can get a forever free plan, but most people will go to the paid plan so that they could put many, many more pins out there. Optimize for search. Incorporate relevant keywords into your pin descriptions and titles and the text overlay on top of that pin to enhance discoverability, because Pinterest can see all of the keywords in all of those places. Think about the term your target audience might use when searching for solution related content. I've actually asked my audience on Instagram via a story, if you were looking for this product, what would you type in a search bar to find it? I don't even say Pinterest, right? Because they could search for it on Google and Pinterest results will come up there. Taking those keywords is really helpful. Plus, going onto Pinterest and looking up those keywords to see any other keywords that also might be something that you want to use as well. Disclose affiliate relationships. Transparency is crucial. Clearly state that your content contains an affiliate link, kind of like I did in this video, to maintain trust and comply with your guideline. Utilize Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rates or outbound clicks. Conversions are really important to see so that you know that it drove people to your website. In order to understand what's resonating with your audience and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Implementing the strategy. Start by identifying products that align with your audience's interests and needs. For an example, I am also a brand photographer for a boutique marketing agency. And I will often do brand photo props. And in my blog where I'm giving this advice, I link my Amazon store so they can go on there and just purchase it. Specifically, the type of confetti that I use flies and stays in the air longer. Again, you can see that in the link below. Create informative blog posts highlighting how these products can solve specific problems or enhance certain aspects of their lives. Within these posts, include your affiliate link and then design pins that link back to these blog posts, providing a pathway for Pinterest users to discover your content and the products that you recommend. By focusing on delivering value and maintaining authenticity, you can effectively leverage Pinterest for affiliate marketing, creating a win-win situation for you and your audience. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.